In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes in Help Scout conversations. Internal notes are perfect for keeping your team aligned without looping in the customer, and they help you capture context, next steps, and ownership right where the conversation lives. Start by opening the conversation where you want to add a note. This should be the thread you're actively working on or need to leave guidance for. Make sure you're looking at the most recent messages so your note is placed in the right context and your teammates can immediately see what it relates to. Just below the most recent conversation thread, look for the Note button near Reply. This is your switch from customer-facing mode to internal collaboration. Click Note, and you'll see the composer switch into Note mode. You'll know you're in the right place because the editor changes to a yellow background. That visual cue is there to reassure you that whatever you type will be internal and won't send to the customer. If you ever realize you're in the reply view by accident, just click Note to switch before you type. In the yellow editor, type your internal note. Be clear and concise, and include the context your teammates need at a glance: what the customer asked, what you've already tried, and what you recommend next. If there are links or references that will help, include them with a short explanation so someone can follow your thought process quickly. To draw a teammate's attention, use @mentions right in the note. Type the symbol, choose the teammate's name, and they'll be notified and able to jump in. This is especially helpful for handing off tasks, asking for a second opinion, or looping in a specialist. When you're done, click Add Note to save it. Your note will be added to the conversation timeline, stamped with your name and time, and visible to your team. Most importantly, notes are never visible to the customer, so you can coordinate freely without worrying about sending something externally. If you need to continue the customer conversation later, just switch back to Reply and craft your message there. That's all there is to it. Open the conversation, switch to Note, write your internal message, tag the right people, and click Add Note. Using notes consistently keeps your team aligned, reduces back and forth in other channels, and preserves decision-making history right alongside the customer's messages. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating in Help Scout.